to this. I don't know how to act, don't know how to adapt to this situation. Not used to this, no I'm not. I better let myself give in to love.
Hello viewers, today I found something very useful for multitaskers. Yes, you can use your Android or iOS device as a secondary wireless display of your PC. This feature is very helpful for those who do lot of multitasking like for coders and video editors. You can see live output of your work most of the time. I use this for video editing. Let's see how. Here I am using only two more displays, second for program window and third for browsing some tutorials. It takes my editing experience to the next level. Now I can resize my timeline to full display and work on it seamlessly. Okay, let's move to the installation part. Visit spacedesk.net. Link is added in description and install the driver according to your Windows version.
Believe in us no matter what it does to my heart. Not used to this, no I'm not.
After installing, make sure to connect your PC and your phone with same Wi-Fi network. There is no need of active data connection. If you don't have Wi-Fi, you can use the hotspot of same secondary device. Just make sure that both of the device, your system and your phone, must be on the same network. Then download a spacedesk app on your phone. Again, the link is in description. Open the app and wait for the connection. Then just tap on the connection and it will start working as secondary display. And also make sure that in your Windows under display setting, multiple display is set to extend display. Here you can also do few things like when you select show only, it will turn off your secondary display. If you select show only to, it will turn off your primary display. And you can also make the copy of your display. But for me, the most useful is to extend the display. That's all guys for this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Help me to reach 20k subs as soon as possible. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Just keep supporting and I'll keep making more awesome contents.